Hello everyone, I'm Julian, this is New Garage, and today we're going to take apart the suspension on the 2CV. Okay, so for now we're going to start by taking off these shock breakers right here. There's 4 of them and we're going to take them off first, so let's go do that. Alright, that's all 4 shocks off. I'm just gonna put all the screws and nuts in a bag and I'll be right with you. Okay, I've got my 2 bags, my front and my rear. And these can just go right into that little box. And that is how you keep your screws, bolts and nuts safe. Just like that. Now we just grab our shocks, put them on the parts pile, just like that. That's 2. That's 3. And that's 4, all on the parts pile. Now I saw that there were screws right here and there on the other side too, which we need to access from underneath there and also on the other side. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And always make sure anything is hooked up so it doesn't fall on you. Okay, so just now I was looking under here and I saw that, as you can see, that hole is being blocked by some kind of piece of metal where I can't get my wrench to there. So now I'm gonna have to try something else and see what we're gonna do from there. Yeah, that's one really rusted screw down. Okay, I believe I got all the little tabs bent the right way. So now I can fit this little socket on and get all the rest of the screws off. So yeah, let's go do that. That is 2. 2 more to go. Let's go. That's number 3. Let's go do number 4. Okay, I just jacked the back of the car just a little bit up so I can fit this thing under, because I don't know how else I'm gonna put that little tab back. Let's go try it. Okay, now I've got gasoline all over the floor. This is not good. This is really not good stuff. The gasoline just came all out. It's on the floor. That's really dangerous. So from welding, that's gonna blow up. I've got to clean that up, but I don't want to leak anymore. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? It's up to my fingers. This is really not good.
Here, no shit, Sherlock.
Okay. So, don't look at my face. That's absolutely dirty right now. So, I don't know if you got that, but yeah, well, the gasoline started leaking again, and now the entire floor is covered in gasoline. So I covered it with kitten litter, and now the gasoline is leaking out into a gas tank. So now I'm gonna go clean off my face, and I'll see you right back. Yeah. It's really fucked up. Yep. Okay, now, for some reason my phone decided to say, well, f you, and it didn't record anything, so I took off the seat thing, and now I'm gonna take off the seat belt. So let's go do that. That's the one. So my phone decided not to record anything, but I got the seat belts off and the seat thingy, so now we're good. Okay, so I'm gonna have to be fast about this because my phone storage is almost full. So now I'm gonna tell you what we did today. So yeah, today we took off the gas tank, we took off the seat belts and the thingy where the seats are bolted on. And yeah, so that's what we did. Thank you for watching Newbie Garage, and I'm out.